Hello, we all know Telegram is a messaging app that allows you to join various channels and groups where flight deals and offers are shared. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to find cheap flights using Telegram. Search Air Tracker Bot. Open it and select Start. Once you join the relevant channels and groups, make sure to enable notifications for those channels so that you receive instant updates whenever a new flight deal is posted. Select your language. Select your country. Select your starting point. Select your destination. Select your required date. After all the information's passed, it will give you the flight details and fare for the journey. Read the instructions provided in the channels carefully. They often include details on how to book the deal, including the specific dates, destinations, airlines, and booking websites. Flight deals can be time-sensitive and may have limited availability. If you come across a deal that interests you, be prepared to act quickly. Check the availability of the deal and proceed with booking as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.